This is Euclid Book 7, proposition number 26. Here's your diagram. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and read this to you. If two numbers be prime to two numbers, both to each, their products also will be prime to one another. Bear with me. This one's kind of a hard proof, but we'll go through this step by step. For let the two numbers A and B be prime to the two numbers C and D, both to each, and let A by multiplying B make E, and let C by multiplying D make F. I say that E and F are prime to one another. For since each of the numbers A and B is prime to C, well, 4 is prime to 5. Now, 4 in itself is not a prime number, but it is prime to 5 because no number is going to divide both 4 and 5. Okay? Now, 6 is prime to 5 because some number divides 6, but no number divides 5. Okay? So that's what they're saying. When they're saying A and B are prime to the two numbers C and D, what they're saying is that A and B, which is 4 and 6, are both prime to 5. They're not prime to each other, but they're prime to 5. Okay? And we'll get into the last part later on. For since each of the numbers A and B is prime to C, which we've already said, therefore the product of A and B will also be prime to C by Euclid Book 7, proposition number 24. So, 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 is prime to 5. Yes, some number can divide 24, but not 5. Okay? But the product of A and B is E. Well, E is 24. Okay? Therefore, E and C are prime to one another. 24 is prime to 5. Now then, for the same reason, okay, A and B are prime to D. Okay? 4 is prime to 7. 6 is prime to 7. Some number divides 4, some number divides 6, but none of those numbers divide 7. That's how that works. Alright. So, what's the product of 4 and 6? They're 24, and 24, of course, is also prime to 7. Alright. And that's by Euclid Book 7, proposition number 24. Therefore, 24 is prime to 7. Okay? Therefore, each of the numbers C and D, which 5 and 7, they are both prime to 24. We've established that. Therefore, the product of C and D will also be prime to E by Euclid Book 7, proposition number 24. Well, what's the product of C and D? Well, 7 times 5 is 35. 35 will now be prime to 24. But the product of C and D is F. F is 35. Therefore, E and F are prime to one another. So, 35 is prime to 24. There are numbers that will divide 35. There will be numbers that will divide 24. But there is no number that will both divide 35 and 24. That's how that works. Alright. I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.